Hello students, so today we are going to learn about the acids and bases and salt. This is the part number 2. In the first part we have studied about the what is acid, what is base. So let's revise it. What is acids?
Acids are
Sour in taste and they are releasing the hydrogen ion, right? And they form the hydronium ion in water. Understood? Okay. What is base?
Base are bitter in taste
Right, they are bitter in taste.
and they release hydroxide.
Right, they release hydroxide, right? And then here, they are having the strong acid, strong base, right? They are having weak acid, weak base. So what is strong acid and what is weak acid? Tell me, what is strong acid? Those who will release more hydrogen ion in the water. That is the
weak acid are those who release less.
right. Weak acids are those who will release the less hydrogen ion in water, right? And the bases, like a strong bases are
Hydroxide
right. They release more hydroxide ion.
and in weak they release less.
Right. In weak they release less hydroxide ion. Understood? Okay. Now we also studied about the pH scale. What is pH scale?
It starts from zero and ends. It starts
40. Right. And yeah, it is neutral. And from 0 to 7.
Acidic.
Right. Very good.
And from 7 to basic.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if suppose the pH is 1, then it is acidic or basic? If suppose the pH is 1,
Acidic hydrochloric acid.
right, it is stomach also. That is Arch. I'm getting your voice. HCl is there in our. So this is in stomach. So this is strong acid. Which acid? Right? Then, if the pH is 8, so it is strong or weak base?
It is a strong base.
Right, it is strong base. Like lemon water. Lemon water is having the pH is 12. So it is a strong base or weak base?
Weak base.
Right, very good. It is a weak base. So this is we have done in the last lecture. Right? So now we will do in the next thing. What is that is the indicator. Right? अभी हमने ये तो जान लिया कि क्या एसिड होता है क्या बेस होता है. But how we will get to know कि whether it's acidic or base? Then what we will give? What we will do?
Indicator.
Right. Which indicator do we know?
Litmus paper, phenoxylin, China rose indicator, turmeric.
Right. In an indicator, basically in an indicator, there are two types.
Man-made and natural.
Right. It is a natural and man-made. So here, now, which is the natural? That is the litmus.
Litmus paper,
Then,
China rose,
then,
turmeric,
then, और कौन से है? See here, litmus paper, China rose,
turmeric.
yeah, right, turmeric, then cabbage, right? Cabbage is also there.
Yes.
Then beetroot is also there.
Yes.
Okay. Then here they are showing the different color in the acidic and the basic solution. Like here, litmus paper किससे बनता है?
Lichen.
Right, very good. It is lichen, made with the lichen. Right. Lichen क्या होता है?
Lichen एक organism होता है.
No, lichen is basically one type of plant which is the combination of algae and fungi. Right, very good. Understood? And where it was used first? It was used in 13 AD. That means 1300 AD.
Yes.
Okay, it was used at that time. Understood? So litmus paper जो है वो एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन के साथ लिटमस पेपर के कितने टाइप होते हैं कितने कलर
Red litmus paper.
राइट रेड लिटमस पेपर एंड ब्लू लिटमस पेपर नाउ सी इट इज एसिड तो ये रेड लिटमस पेपर क्या होगा
Red ready रहेगा.
राइट वेरी गुड रेड रेडी रहेगा ब्लू के साथ क्या होगा
Blue के साथ red.
वो ब्लू टर्न विल टू द रेड अगर ये बेसिक है अगर ये बेस सॉल्यूशन है तो रेड के साथ क्या होगा
Blue.
राइट रेड विल टर्न टू ब्लू Red will turn to
And
blue.
blue will stay blue.
Yeah, blue will stay blue. There will be no change. No one will talk. There will be no change.
No change.
Understood? Yeah. Then here we are having the another thing, like in a turmeric. If suppose there are turmeric stain on your clothes.
If we add something basic, it turns red.
Right, very good. If suppose in a turmeric spot, if you put the soap solution.
Yes, it turns red.
Right, very good. Okay, then now we are having the synthetic, that is the man-made. Which are these?
Phenolphthalein.
This is the methyl orange and phenolphthalein, right? In the methyl orange and the phenolphthalein. Okay, now tell me. Methyl orange is basically, it's a used in laboratory. It is used in laboratory. Okay, so when we add the basic solution, it turns yellow. Okay, जब बेसिक सॉल्यूशन है तो ये क्या होगा? येलो. क्या होगा ये?
Yellow.
राइट. एंड व्हेन इट इज अ एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन देन इट विल बी रेड ओनली. अगर वो एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन है तो उसके साथ रेड ही रहेगा. आपको ये चीज याद रखनी है. न्यूट्रल के साथ कोई चेंज नहीं दिखाएगी. ठीक है. एंड फिनोल्फ्थालीन, फिनोल्फ्थालीन के केस में क्या होगा? अगर एसिडिक है, राइट, वेरी गुड, इट इज कलरलेस. इट इज कलरलेस. और अगर बेसिक है तो क्या होगा? बेसिक के साथ क्या होगा? पिंक कलर होगा.
Pink, pink.
व्हाट इज द कलर? पिंक. राइट? एम आई राइट? इट विल बी इन द पिंक कलर. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Then now, see, we are having the universal indicator. In the universal indicator, we are having the many colors. Sorry, not many colors, many food items, right? Like a gastric juices are there, lemon juices are there. Then we are having the rainwater. What is the pH of rainwater? That is a 6.5. And the water that we are consuming, that pH is 7. Milk is 6. 6. Yeah, milk is 6. Okay. Then, okay. Now, we are using the toothpaste for cleaning our teeth. Why?
Because it's a base.
Right, it is base. And our mouth, when when we are brushing almost after the 12 hours. So it is the acidic, because in our mouth there is a saliva, and the saliva is acidic. So that's why to neutralize it, we are using the toothpaste, which is the basic.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Which is the basic. Now we are having the salts. Now we are going to study about the salts. Okay. Now first we will see how the salts are basically forming.
By the process of neutralization.
Very good. By the process of neutralization. So ये neutralization process होता क्या है? That we will see.
Acid plus
See,
base.
this is the salt. ठीक है? How it forms? Acid plus base. ठीक है?
Acid plus base.
मतलब like see, when the acid and base react, they form,
Salt and water.
right, they form salt, water and release the heat.
Heat.
They release heat. Understood?
Yes.
Now अभी listen. वो heat release कर रहे हैं. वो heat release कर रहे हैं. Heat release कर रहे हैं. मतलब क्या हो रहा है? एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. कौन सा रिएक्शन हो रहा है? एक्सोथर्मिक. आपको सिंपल से याद रखना है. एग्जिट, एक्सोथर्मिक. हीट रिलीज, हीट का एग्जिट हो रहा है. हीट का एग्जिट हो रहा है. राइट, वेरी गुड. एक्सोथर्मिक. अगर हीट एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है इन, राइट, इंडोथर्मिक. वेरी गुड. अंडरस्टूड? हाँ. एंड दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन.
Neutralization.
ठीक है? दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. अंडरस्टूड? दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज neutralization. So the salts are having mainly the types. There are different types of salt. Okay. Now we will see first the types of salt.
Sodium.
No. There is a weak salt, strong salt. Do you remember that? Types of salt.
Oh, but acidic salt, basic
Right.
salt, neutral salt.
And the types of salt, first is
Acidic.
acidic. What is in the acidic?
If the salt is more acidic.
No, when the strong acid will combine with a weak base, it will form the acidic salt.
Acidic salt.
अभी देखो ये बहुत सिंपल है, मुझे बताओ अगर एक स्ट्रांग है और एक वीक है तो किसकी जीत होगी? स्ट्रांग की। तो इसमें स्ट्रांग कौन है? तो ये एसिडिक सॉल्ट बनाएगा। अंडरस्टूड? हाँ। देन बेसिक्स।
If the base is strong and acid is weak, so it will form a base salt.
Right. If it is a strong base and weak acid, then it will be basic salt. So now, then it will be the basic salt. अभी now, ये acidic salt का example क्या है? Can anyone tell me? Acidic salt is HCl plus ammonium chloride. HCl is a strong acid. Right? Ammonium chloride is a it's a ammonium hydroxide. They will form the ammonium chloride. HCl is a strong acid. It's a weak base. Then they will form the ammonium chloride. Understood? And they will form the H2O, water. So this is the acidic salt. कौन सा salt है ये? Acidic salt. Understood? Understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the basic salt. Which is the basic salt? Basic salt. Like यहाँ पे क्या है? हाँ. So what it will be? It will be strong base. Acidic acid. See here. It is the acidic acid. Then weak acid, strong base. Strong base में क्या आएगा? Ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. So here what will form? See ये जो OH है ये इसके ये जो wait ये जो H है ये OH के साथ चला जाएगा, right? Then it will form the sodium acetate. क्या फॉर्म करेंगे ये? सोडियम एसिडेट, जो एक बेसिक सॉल्ट बनेगा, समझ में? हाँ. देन द न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट कब बनेंगे? बोथ आर स्ट्रॉन्ग. न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट कब बनेगा? वेट एवरीवन. When it will be strong acid
And strong base.
They will form the neutral salt. Understood? They will form the right. They will form the neutral salt. Then here we are having the properties. We know the properties of salt. Like we are using the salt for the consumption. Yeah, for the food, right? Then as well as for storing the food, right?
When two salts are mixed together, so it will form a double salt.
हाँ, when the two salts will mix, like ये जो salt बना है, ये दोनों अगर एक साथ mix होते हैं,
Double salt.
तो they will form the double salt. Understood? Then you are having the mixed salt. Mixed salt क्या है? कि either it will show the they will have either the simple ion or complex ion. ठीक है? That is also the one type of salt. That is and the complex ion is both are, we don't know that exactly which whether there is a complex ion or the simple ion. Understood? Then here you know the copper sulfate. What is copper sulfate? Can anyone tell me the formula of that? Copper sulfate का formula CuSO4 5H2O. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? और इसका कमर्शियल नेम क्या है? ब्लू विट्रॉल. ये क्या फॉर्म करता है? क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. ये क्या फॉर्म करता है? ब्लू कलर के क्रिस्टल फॉर्म करता है. या देन हाँ, वो वाटर के साथ हीट करते हैं, देन उसके बाद उसको कूल डाउन करते हैं. उसका जो वाटर है वो कंप्लीटली रिमूव नहीं होता है. अंडरस्टूड? या देन वी आर हैविंग द मेनी एसिड्स एंड बेसेस. लाइक जैसे कि if suppose you got any honey bite and all that, then you will use no honey bite है तो honey में sorry honey bite बोल bee bite है and bite है.
We will use the base.
Right, we will use the base because
And it will form a neutralization.
right, very good. हाँ, understood?
Yes.
Okay. So student, here that we have studied this. These are the things. हाँ?
Same.
हाँ, same. Alkaline solution. You will use the basic soda. Baking soda. ठीक है? Understood? This we will use when it will be the, like suppose your stomach is having the acidity. So which hydroxide you will use? Stomach is having the acidity.
Yes. We will use
कौन सा यूज करेंगे? नो, मैंने पूछा विच हाइड्रोक्साइड वी विल यूज. नो, we will use milk of magnesium, that is magnesium hydroxide. Understood everyone? हाँ, समझ में? Understood everyone? Okay, so this is it. Okay, thank you students, thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.